How to explore map on Google Street View app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Street View. This is the home page. Now as you can see, this is the map, and let's say that you want, for example, to explore here on Sweden. All what you have to do is zoom in like this, then click search this area right here. Now scroll down and choose any area you want from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can explore the area like this. You can see everything from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.